the Pro Bono Law Firm of the Year Award, and the Laura N. Rinaldi Pro Bono Lawyer of the Year Award honor recipients' excellence, achievement, and commitment to providing free legal services to the district's low-income and/or disadvantaged individuals, as well as to organizations serving our most vulnerable neighbors. The 2025 Laura N. Rinaldi Pro Bono Lawyer of the Year is Paul Cornoni of Regan Zambri Long PLLC. Over the past decade, trial lawyer Paul Cornoni has regularly staffed the DC Bar Pro Bono Center's advice and referral clinic, volunteering on a monthly basis. In 2024, Mr. Cornoni provided 70 hours of free legal service through the clinic. His commitment to giving back to the community is demonstrated in the more than 100 hours he spent on pro bono work this past year. In addition, for the past 8 years, Mr. Cornoni has been a regular volunteer with the Children's Law Center, contributing nearly 40 hours in 2024. Mr. Cornoni's pro bono representation involved a wide range of matters, including housing complaints, civil rights violations, public benefits assistance, and domestic violence.
Pro bono work is important to me for a number of reasons. First off, I just innately like helping people. And I tell my friends it's not a completely unselfish act. It makes me feel good about myself. Volunteering, as everybody in the audience knows, is a family event. We often volunteer together, and if we're not together and I'm at the DC Bar Clinic, that means they're missing their dad and sacrificing as well. And so my shout outs would be to my family, as well as to my firm, Regan Zambri Long, and my partners Pat Regan, Sal Zambri, Chris Regan, Jackie Colclaw, and Victor Long.
Congratulations to Paul Cornoni. The 2025 Pro Bono Law Firm of the Year is Sidley Austin LLP. Since its founding in 1866, Sidley Austin has demonstrated a commitment to pro bono service, not just in the United States, but also in other countries. The firm's array of pro bono programs includes the Capital Litigation Project, Constitutional Rights and Civil Liberties Project, Political Asylum and Immigration Rights Pro Bono Project, Pro Bono Project for the Arts, Trade for Development Initiative, Veterans Advocacy Project, and Emerging Enterprises Pro Bono Program. In 2024, Sidley Austin's Washington, D.C. office, comprising 303 lawyers and other fee earners, contributed 42,560 hours of pro bono work. A total of 258 attorneys provided pro bono service, with partners at the firm contributing 4,165 hours. In all, the firm's DC office dedicated 7.9% of its billable hours to pro bono service in 2024. Numerous organizations have lauded Sidley Austin's generosity, including the Children's Law Center, Kids in Need of Defense, Legal Aid DC, the Amica Center for Immigrant Rights, the Public Defender Service for the District of Columbia, and the Latino Economic Development Center.
We are very grateful to our great partners like the DC Bar Pro Bono Center that enable us to participate in their many programs, such as the Advocacy and Justice Clinic, Landlord-Tenant Resource Center, Advice and Referral Clinic, Small Business Clinic, and the Nonprofit Legal Assistance Program.
I think the firm views pro bono work as a win-win-win situation. First, it's a win for the pro bono clients that we represent. Second, it's a win for the pro bono lawyers that are doing the work. They get great experiences and they get to meet and work with other more senior lawyers. Third, it's a win for the firm because pro bono is for the good, and we're helping the community, we're helping individuals try to get justice in the cases that matter most to them.
Thank you to everyone in our DC office who has contributed their time and energy to broadening our pro bono impact over the past year. And we look forward to continuing our work providing pro bono representation for low-income individuals in the District of Columbia and for the community-based organizations serving them for many, many years to come. Thank you.
Congratulations to Sidley Austin.